Yeah, I mean, I've worked remotely in my career, actually most of my career for more than 15 years. I wasn't in an office and in my home office. It's one of the reasons why I went to Mural, because I wanted to keep that lifestyle. But of course, at Mural, we teach and talk about remote collaboration as well too. And in my previous job at Citrix, the makers of GoToMeeting and GoToWebinar, I was also looking at the remote condition as well too. So Mural really brought together my interest in remote collaboration and creative disciplines like design together, because that's what Mural is all about. You know, so for me, it was, again, that kind of authentic, you know, if we're trying to help big organizations like IBM and SAP and, you know, EY and companies like that who are all customers of ours, if we're trying to help them work remotely, that we have to be able to do it ourselves. Right. And the team that I have about 30 people now that report up to me. And we span 9 time zones from California to Europe and South America and 3 continents as well too. And we've never been together. I mean, we've met on occasions pre-COVID on, you know, trips and things like that, but we've never worked together. So we've had to, out of necessity, figure out how to form a team and a team culture remotely. And we make space for innovation. That's actually a marketing line that we have. If you go to our website, you're going to say, make space for innovation, imagination, I meant to say. And we make space for imagination. And by that, I mean, in our agendas, we take time to do things to get to know each other personally. And we'll use Mural or the chat or other functions to just have fun together before we have the serious work, right? So you talk about serious play. Right, and I think serious play has really helped us kind of stay together. Of course, Mural is a huge part of that, but also Slack and Zoom, and just having a command of the different channels of communication and being able to use those effectively has kept the team together.